Good morning children, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to continue our lesson electricity. We are going to continue our lesson electricity and we have seen about dry cells. What we have seen? We have gone through about the dry cells. We have gone through the cells. What they are doing? These cells, they are changing chemical energy into electrical energy. What? Electrical energy. Which one? Dry cells. These cells, whatever we are using, they are changing our chemical energy into electrical energy. And we have seen about a closed circuit, open circuit, I said you, where continuous flow is there, where without any break, when the current is passing continuously through all the circuit, we will say it as a closed circuit. Where there is a breakage, suppose if the wire is broken or if the bulb is not connected properly, current will not pass through it. So that we will say it as an open circuit. Okay na? And now today we are going to see about some devices, symbols. Here this one we have seen. What are the symbols we are going to see? Here symbols in electrical, symbols which we are used, symbols which are used in our electricity, in our electric symbols. See this one. Okay, see this we will say it as a cell. Observe the difference. This one is a big line, we will take it as a positive terminal, negative, and for compulsory, for a current to be passed or for a charges to move, suppose if you give a connection to the bulb, compulsory it should get both positive charges and negative charges. Getting up both positive and negative charges, then only bulb will be glowing. Or if you take any fan or any tube light or coolers, there also they are working. They are working means both positive charges and negative charges are reaching to that electrical device. Getting? So now see this big line, positive terminal, small line, negative terminal. Big line, positive terminal, small line, negative terminal. And see this one. Observe a group of cells here. Group of cells. This one. Group of cells. This is up to here one cell. Group of cells, we will say it as a battery. Group of cells, battery. Group of cells, battery. And here let me write a bulb symbol. And see this one, this is a plug, actually plug symbol. This is a plug symbol. These plug symbols also observe. See, these are in contact, they are not in contact, that means off position, switch off, current open, it is not passing current. Here on symbol, plug or key. Plug anodu, we should not use that word plug. Go for keys. Key, on off buttons. See, when they are not in contact, off. In contact, off, on. Now still here, yes, this one, fuse. Now see this, I said you this is about bulb, no? Same bulb, if I draw like this, observe this, it means light is coming out, means bulb, here light not coming, bulb is in off position, bulb is in on position. Cell, this is about cell, this is about group of cells This we will say it as a series connection, amma. One to other connection we will say it as a series connection. Next topic we will have series connection. That is a group of cells is a battery. This is a bulb, but light not coming, so it is off position. These are keys. If they are not in contact, it is off. In contact, it is on position. And this is about fuse. You know where we are going to use. I will say that fuse also we are going to get. Here this is a bulb where we are getting light. Bulb is in on position. So these are the symbols, and still we have ammeter, we will have galvanometer, we are having resistor, we will have in further classes we are going to learn resistor, rheostat, again still what else, galvanometer, voltmeter, like that we are having many. So up to you, for you these are enough. Cell, battery, bulb off position, bulb on position, key off position, key on position, that is fuse. All of you got that. Now next, here this is important. I said you circuit, about circuit, amma. Here this is circuit. Circuit means this one. What is this? Cell. What is this? Now it becomes more than one cell. Battery. Here you take key. This one. Switch on here. Now it becomes a circuit. A group of all these electrical devices, when connected in a proper way, it is making a circuit. And see, if when the button is switched off, open circuit, open. When here current is not passing, suppose when they are in contact, it becomes closed. Means current is passing through it. Okay, see these devices. Okay, in this we are arranging, and see, I said you observe this, amma. Here big line, small line. Big line means what? Positive charges. Observe how I made a connection. I gave this positive charges, positive terminal connection to the battery, and see, not directly or indirectly or directly, negative charges are reaching to the bulb. For a bulb to glow or any electrical device to work, we need both positive and negative charges. Getting? And now here, okay beta. Now we are having we are having these circuits. In circuits we can arrange here cells, we can arrange in series. Here this absorb properly. What I am doing, I am taking cells in series. Series means what? One to other. See, for example, now like this you are catching one to other in series. So now we are saying about the series connection. Cells we are taking this one. See this one. Cells I am connecting in a series. This one positive. Think this is positive, this is negative. Positive, negative. See, observe. At negative we are connecting positive. At negative we are connecting positive. And this one, bulb. Key. Same circuit. This one I am using. This is a circuit now. It is also a circuit. But what is the difference here? it is a circuit, this is also a circuit. So when you close it, it become a closed, current is passing. If you close it, current is bulb is glowing. Here what is the difference? What is the difference? Here we used 1, 2, 3 cells. Here we used only one cell. And see, cells, whatever cells we are using, they should have same potential difference, 1.5 volts or 3 volts. We will have like this. Battery power also different. Whatever bulbs we are using, they should be of same voltage, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Here use only 1.5 battery. Now observe the brightness. Here what to observe? Brightness. How much light it is giving. How much light it is giving. Observe that. The brightness here is more comparing to here. Brightness here is more comparing to, so here more brightness. More brightness. Here less brightness. Why? Here more amount of chemical energy changed into electrical. Here chemical. In this battery what there? Chemical there. Chemical there. More amount of chemical energy changed into electrical energy in this case. Here only one battery chemical energy is used to glow this bulb. Chemical energy is changing into electrical energy. Their chemical energy is changing into electrical energy, and their brightness is changing. Observe that brightness is changing. And here important, see, when cells in series, brightness will be more. Brightness is more, and important thing is that here about this, more brightness you are getting, no? Now suppose if you are missing this connection, here if these are not in contact, if they are not in touch, anywhere broken, that will not glow, bulb will not glow. If any break is there in the connection, in cells in series, if there is any break in the connection, in cells in series, if there is any break in the connection, it will not glow. Light will not come. It will not glow. About series, important point. Brightness is more. We are getting more brightness of the light is more. But the bulb, if there is any break in the middle of the circuit, bulb will not glow. Bulb will not glow. Getting what I said? This is about cells in series, no? Now same we are going to learn about cells in parallel. This one also you observe. Comparison we have to see. Bulbs, this one, bulbs in parallel here. Sorry, cells, I should draw about cells in parallel, no? Here cells, this one, cells, here this is about cell. We are seeing about cells in series. So here this is cell, one more cell. All the positive terminals I am connecting to one point. Again, all these negative terminals to one point. Give connection to bulb. You can take this bulb upside, cells downside also you can keep connection. So it is up to you. Now what we are doing here? Positive to one terminal, one point. Negative to one point. So now observe this. All here what came? Positive. All what charges came here? Negative. All together, all positive charges this side, all negative charges this side. So now they are same. Positive charges came, negative charges came. Positive charges came, negative charges came. Observe the brightness. Observe the brightness in this case and in that case. Only the brightness will not change here. Brightness will not change. The brightness remains like that only. In series, brightness improved. Brightness increased. Here brightness will not change. Brightness will be same like that only. And one more thing, Amma. Here bulb glows for a less time. Brightness, Amma, is important. This is important. Brightness will be more for less time. Brightness will not increase, but brightness is not more, but works for longer time. Brightness is not increasing. Brightness not more, not changing. Brightness not changing, but what? More time it works, longer time it works, longer time it works, longer time it works. Opposite to that, brightness increasing, brightness increasing, but brightness increasing but lesser time. Completing, energy will be completed. Here either from this or from this or from this it will be using. And here about parallel connection, cells in parallel. Suppose here is, if it is broken, suppose if it is broken in this, even the bulb is glowing. Again here also think that it is gone, even though bulb is glowing. Why? For a bulb or any electrical device to work, what I said, positive and negative. Say here they are broken, but positive charges from this cell are reaching, negative charges from this cell are reaching. Cells in series, if any breakage there means it will not work, but cells in parallel, if it is parallel, they are working, it is not getting disturbed, it is not getting disturbed. About what I said, this is about our cells in series, cells in parallel. Okay, cells in series, cells in parallel. No, now same if you take about bulbs, same bulbs in series, bulbs in parallel. All of you are getting what I am saying? Cells in series, cells in parallel we have seen. Now bulbs in series we are saying. Bulbs in a series. See, these are, say, don't think this is a lesson part. This is a one of lesson in your class. You don't mind in that way. Go see, you can do practically at your house, at your home also. Check that, you take your batteries, you try to see whether what I am saying is correct or not. These bulbs give connection to the battery, sorry, cell I am using, only cell with the cell not able to work these many, so I am using this battery. 1, 2, 3, 4 cells in series, cells in series. Again same pattern about this. If you take bulbs in parallel, bulbs in parallel, bulbs in series, bulbs in parallel. So now this one same like series, concept will not change. Say the brightness, brightness is going on changing. As you once one bulb you gave connection, absorb the brightness, one more bulb you give, absorb the brightness, one more bulb. See, for this a better example, I will say one example in our daily life. A bowl of rice you have, a bowl of rice you have, only 4 members there, so sufficiently you are getting this much. Think that. What happened? Another person came. What happens about your rice quantity? Little bit decreased. Again one more person came, quantity decreased. One more person came, quantity decreased. Same process you are having in this case. When bulbs are going on increasing, they are growing, they are glowing, but brightness decreasing. See, you will get rice, but instead of getting much, you may get little bit, like a prasadam you may get, as many are increased. Here also bulb will be glowing, but brightness will be totally decreased. Brightness will be totally decreased. See, here in cells in series, we have seen. I am saying about bulbs in series. We are saying about bulbs in series. When bulbs in series, the same concept. If there is any breakage in the middle, one stopped, none of them. Here, none of the bulbs will be glowing. See, you can ask, madam, up to here, first, second, they will glow. No one will work. None of them will be working. Here, coming to this parallel connection. If you take about parallel connection, see, all these, observe these bulbs. For this all, why not working? Positive charges reached. Again, negative charges reaching. Suppose here if there is any break, suppose. For this, see, observe, first bulb. For first bulb, positive charges came. Negative charges should also reach, no? Here stopped. For example, this bulb you take. Negative charges reached. Positive. Here break. So they will not work. Coming to this point, bulbs, see, first, second, third, they see, what is that about this one, same quantity, about rice quantity. If I take, some people will be there, whoever comes, let them come, I will eat my quantity. Some people in some families will be there, whoever, only rice quantity this much there, they are about to come, they will not think, they will take how much they want. How much this bulb want, it takes. How much this bulb want, this take. Here brightness will not take, brightness will not change, brightness changes. ఇక్కడ brightness change అవుతుంది, brightness change కాదు. And the charges, see, that for this bulb, positive charge coming, negative, positive, negative. Suppose here if there is break, this bulb will not work. But remaining two works. This bulb will not work, these two will be working. Suppose here if there is any break, this bulb, this two will work, third will not work. Getting? And see the concept, observe. In our houses we are finding many electrical devices. In your houses you are finding many electrical devices. For example, see, are you staying in only one room? In your house only one room there? No. Hall, bedroom, kitchen, double bedroom are there, L-shaped hall there, like that many rooms are there. See, observe that, connections in each room, fan, light, bed lamp, different electrical devices there, no? Which type of connections they are preferring means parallel connection. All electrical devices, how they are connected in parallel. About that we will discuss that deeply, how all electrical devices connected in your houses we are going to discuss in the next topic. I hope all of you are getting what I am saying. Thank you.